Picture this. It's day one of your dream family road trip. Everyone's excited, the car's packed, the sun's shining. But as the saying goes, all that glitters is not gold. You didn't plan for a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, right? Don't despair. Let's turn that frown upside down. Welcome to the wonderful world of unexpected road trip challenges, where a flat tire is your rite of passage. Don't you worry. By the end of this guide, you'll be laughing in the face of adversity. Have you ever heard the saying, "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure"? Well, it's true, especially for road trips. A well-prepared car is a happy car. Regular maintenance, folks, is your new best friend. Tires, brakes, oil, coolant, everything should be in tip-top shape. Did we mention the spare tire? Because there's nothing worse than needing a spare tire and finding out it's flat, too. Now let's discuss supplies. Think of yourself as a squirrel preparing for winter, but instead of acorns, you're packing a first aid kit, food, water, blankets, flashlights, and road flares. They may seem like overkill until you really need them. So fill that trunk up. But what about when Mother Nature decides to throw a tantrum? Sudden rainstorm, snowfall, flash flood? No problem. Always check the weather of your route ahead of time and plan accordingly. Have backup routes, have emergency contacts, have an umbrella. Moving on, consider entertainment. The dreaded "are we there yet" sounds familiar? Long drives can bore the Energizer Bunny out of kids. Pack games, audiobooks, or movies. And hey, when technology fails, there's always I Spy or a good old sing-along. And don't forget, flexibility is key. You might have planned the perfect route with all stops timed to the minute, but then a road closure or heavy traffic appears out of nowhere. Panic? Nope. You just adjust your plans. Embrace the detour, and who knows? You might discover a hidden gem, food, everybody's favorite topic. But a case of food poisoning? Not so much. If you're unsure about a food spot, it's a better idea to skip it. It's always handy to pack some dry snacks and bottled water. And hey, remember, no one ever complained about an extra packet of cookies. Lastly, let's talk about human challenges. The sibling squabbles, the grumpy moods, the car sickness. Breathe, count to 10, and remember, it's about the journey, not just the destination. Don't forget to take breaks, stretch your legs, and play some roadside catch. After all, these are the memories that'll last a lifetime. So there you have it. Yes, the unexpected can and will happen on a family vacation. But with preparation, flexibility, and a healthy dose of humor, you'll navigate any obstacle like a pro. Who said family vacations couldn't be an adventure? Now go on, hit that open road with confidence. Potholes, detours, and squabbling kids. Bring it on, world!